early morning guys, so I am going to pick Lagundi kasi they start coffee na. And look at the patola, and more patola, may buyog and more patola. I did not see this. See, it's laying in there and now it's super old. I'll get it in a little bit. Oh wow, see? Nakahiga dyan, oh. Nahiga siya ganyan. Kaya super old na. Pero kunin ko pa rin yan. Ayan. At itapon. Let's see. Ayan, may malunggay. What else over here? Ayan pa. Patula ko ribod. With my coffee, dala-dala ko ang coffee. Tingnan namin si Manang kuha ng Lagundi. Ay. Ubos lang. Bilin ang tangkay. See, we are getting volcano ashes and then what's the dashboard? The windshield. Where is it bringing it? Oh, he parked it over there.
I'll drive it.
Why paguro ka balik giya eh? Ano?
Una hapito na lang kuno magpunta na sa Alibon. May ubrahan ta na.
Ano rin na? Makinaka kang multicab? Oh, delikado bilhin mo dyan.
Pinangahuyat ang pagkatalyer na lang to abla.
Ay, ginanhanan da.
Takbo di mabaw dalon mo no. Dana nagroyat.
Ti ano ran gingay ipangitaan mo.
Wala na yung lagas ng ilang.
Kang ano eh? Kang ay dito ra magamit. Ako bigay sa kanila. Suksa. Oh my god. Ay, Lord pagi.
Stop lang ha. Papa ko basura, di na panata ko mo ha.
Oh, 20.
Yeah.
Yes. Thank you. Okay. Picking up the syrup.
I'm a dark man.
And put food down.
No, it will. I'm gonna put the seat down.
And guys, we back home. It's gloomy. It's drizzling, whatever. Taratiba. And ayan. Look, Steve got another syrup, and I got my kudkudan. Oh, diba? May sarap. Oh no! I think it's dripping there. Ayan guys. Something in here. No? Or maybe Manang washing clothes. So here's my kudkudan, my classic kudkudan. Oh, diba? Wow. May sarakyan pa. Wow, look at this pechay. Oh. I know, I love this pechay.
It only has to be refrigerated.
I will put it in the fridge. I don't know, it should not. No, in a few days. I'll put some in my curry. Bilog na aga gabi. Oh, untat, di ba?
Dapat na siguro kung wala naman sa lagan.
Upat yun. Te, o, tuya, sige, tubod na tos dalom. Aside sa katuro, ngaran may tuya pa sa dalom katubod. Ano na? Elo is eating great food of Kapuga. With us.
Get out of my kitchen, Lola. Get out of there. Get by the door.
I got a bunch of apples here for school feeding. I will use school feeding.
Today I will cut
Mochi.
Karinderiya ng manang.
Joke lang. Bunang mo may sakit ang saging na to.
makuha na sa to.
Halaga lang. Ayan.
Pochero. Chicken pochero.
Ang unang nakailangan yung
Ang gabi kahapon. Sinami kung may kamatis na may ito pula. Pula na rin kahapon.
And then fry cheese stick.
And we decided to put the apples individually in the Ziploc because it's washed and clean, so it's ready to eat.
Init kag mga ano ba?
Amo na ang panaga.
Mga puti sa drill do pamunit ba sa.
Di bag-o lang na ang
Tina lang ini ya sa Negros
Di ba sa muna wala ka muna?
adlaw mi ara kami kasi may kaon lang. Wala mo ginapanaan. Loko.
100 na kilo? Kilo. Hindi aslo ka kilo. Kilo? Online mo?
Kasi willing sa'yo mag-pay 100.
400 no?
Kilo. May green shield lag ko ka na green shield.
Ako ito ka, plastic ko ka. Green shell man, tambok na siya.
Naka green shield kami gahapon din.
Wala, tapos ito na yung tapos. Oo. Ila ko to.
Ang kamot.
Tayalan. Uy, sir! Nakamot sa tuod, tayalan gid ya.
Lagi na pa, ano na mo no?
Wala, sumama to kay, ano na?
192.
May na na to.
They all talk, delivery guys. They still talking. And we go stop right here. We got a long bow. And this fish, seafoods, shrimp, and fishes cost me $12.80 plus 400, $16.80. And this fish alone, I'm going to make this fish and chips. This is 400, 1 kilo exactly. Let's see. So this is 1 kilo, 400. The whole fish exactly 1 kilo. Matan, 12 paper. And
this is 200, so milkfish 100 each. And what else? I got the muchos, 200 a kilo. And this one is 340 per kilo this time. Sometimes it's cheap, sometimes it's expensive. For 340, this is expensive. Okay, so. It might be unplugged. Ayan, I bought 2 kilos. Dahil malayo pa kaya. Kumuha na lang ako ng 2 kilos.
Pinipinit.
Chero, ha?
Ito dumalumpat ka siya.
Fresh for the whole week na yun. Konsumo. Mataan ka gana. Nagagawa ko na
Ito mo cheese.
Medyo magpamara, paksyo. Ano mara, paksyo?
Paksyo. Paksyo. Paksyo matamudyos.
Tamudyos. Tapos,
Magtamod ka mo sa tamudyos naman. Parang ano siya. Pantang.
naka-layer pa. Brush Lola hair. I mean, comb Lola hair.
Well, she doesn't have a brush.
But you can't even comb your own hair. What's up with that? Windows closed?
Yeah.